Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Venstero, and this is your October love and work forecast for Aries. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aries, this reading is for you. If you know an Aries, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Venstero. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicvenstero.com. You can also buy your own 2022 readings, friends. I have done lots and lots of those readings. You can buy your own from the website, just message from there. And yes, I'm currently sold out, so please give me time so I can reply back to you. And if I'm not replying back, it means I'm completely sold out. There are no slots available at that point of time. So thank you so much for your love and support for our humble work. And you can check the pick a card reading for 2022 in the times in the timestamps. The link is there in the timestamps, and you can also watch the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings in the on the other channel, Magic Venstero Hindi Urdu, friends. So this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So let's begin, friends. Aries, let's see how your October will be. Happy October, friends. How are you all? I hope you are staying positive. Okay, the Five of Swords and the Page of Wands. So your own energy has come. That's interesting, Aries. Very interesting. Let's see. The Five of Swords. So definitely, you are facing some sort of challenge right now. You're going through challenges. You are facing financial struggles or even blocks in communications as well as relationships, competition. You're facing a lot of competition, or you feel like life is tough at the moment. But this is going to change, friends, in October. October will bring you fresh excitement, fresh opportunities, and a new hope, a new sunshine in your life. Like, yes, things can be better. Things are getting better. Things are going your way. So, some sort of an excitement, something new will happen for you, Aries. What is the theme of the month of October for Aries? Yeah, you are definitely you are going through a heartache or heartbreak. You're disappointed in some sort of a way right now, but friends, this is definitely going to heal for you. October will bring you healing that's very necessary. And some of you may be actually facing some health issues, I feel, right now, or you are suffering from a heartache or heartbreak or financial losses. It is going to heal, friends. It is absolutely going to heal. So you are on the right path, don't doubt. You are on the path of healing, and something new is going to start, like a new job, or maybe you will better health, like you start going out again. You are going out for, for jogging, for playing. You are going out for work, for music, for school. So some sort of an excitement is coming, some forward progress, a month of healing. This is your month of healing, friends. You are going to heal from the past blocks and past blocks. I feel it's both in finances as well as emotions. You're gonna heal both in both areas, financially as well as emotionally. So let's see your love life for Aries. The Four of Pentacles and the Justice, the Queen of Wands, the Four of Swords, the Two of Swords. Oh my God, the Ten of Pentacles went down. So let me see if I can pick it out. The Six of Wands, the Four of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles. You could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or you both could be fire signs. You are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Wow, I feel there are third parties in your relationship, friends. Yes, third party. It could be family, it could be friends, or someone who is acting as a third party. The first week of October, friends, you are a little confused about what to do in your love life. Some of you are feeling like you are not sure about your person. Some of you are feeling, did you do the right thing leaving that relationship? Some of you are also feeling like, should you stay? Should you move out of a relationship? Justice. Yes, you are not You want freedom, friends. You want freedom, you want justice, you want equality, and you are not sure whether love life can give you that. Some of you are dealing with is it the right thing to move out of a marriage or not? Some of you are, was it the right thing to leave a partner? Was it too late? We should have left them too early. So you have a lot of questions in your mind in the first week of October. But all these things are going in your head, and you're not sharing it with anybody. Like, you may have doubts about your marriage or about your relationship, even about being single. Like, why am I single? Do I even want to be in a relationship? So you have all these questions, but you are not telling them to anybody because you're very self focused. I also feel, friends, in the first week of October, those people who have hurt you and wronged you and caused you heartache, they are really, really missing you. And you might hear from those people because Mercury will still be retrograde in the first week of October. So you will hear from an ex person who left you, who caused you pain, and you'll be very surprised. I do feel that in the second week of October, you are shining very, very strongly. A lot of people are attracted towards your bright aura, your bright light, and you will be going places. So even if you don't feel that way in the second week, people are attracted to your energy. And I do feel someone wants to talk to you. A new marriage proposal could be coming your way because Ten of Pentacles was marriage card, family card. I do feel proposals are coming your way in the second week, either through matrimony sites, marriage proposals, or as dates. But you will be taking your time. You are in no rush to mingle or fall, again for somebody. Ace of Pentacles, there is a very strong chance of a new start in your love life in the second week. But I feel like you are taking it slow. You don't want to rush things, Aries. You are like, yes, I want to take it slow. We have done the hurry things. We have done things impulsively, caused us pain. Now we'll wait and watch and see how things are going. I do see somebody from the past may also try to propose you again, and you will be like, see, I'll wait and watch. I'll see how it goes. Because you are not sure about that person. In the third week, I do see your relationships will be highly, highly successful. There will be a lot of progress, a lot of romantic talks, and yes, chances of getting married are very, very high in the third week. You could be settling down, or your partner could be moving in with you, or you are moving in with them. There is definitely a celebration, a wedding in the family or in your life somewhere. I do feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. I also feel some of you could be dealing with a person who is already married or in another relationship, or marriage is an issue in the third week. Like, you want to get married, your person want to get married, but family is acting as a third party. So that can also happen. But for most of you, it's a good week. Third week is a very, very good week. There is love, there is emotions, there is romance and passion. So, yes. Let us see the final week. Okay. In the final week of October, friends, your person will start acting defensive again. Your person is like, I want to run out. They may start again acting defensive, and again, some sort of a fight or argument, or little arguments may happen in the last week. Some of you may again feel a desire to walk out of this person, or this person may walk out on you. So be careful, or it could be a long distance relationship, and the same issues may come back again, like why you are going away, why we were living together happily, why do you want to go back? So, some sort of a letdown may happen in the final week of October, but don't worry, we'll see the advice how you can make these things better, in October. So, what is the advice for Aries? Advice for Aries, their love life. Love begins, Ace of Cups. Yeah, there is a new start in your love life, friends. And you have to take it slowly because some past issues or healing is still happening for you. So, you must take it slow. This new love, and discontent and boredom. Yeah, I feel some of you are like not fulfilled by love. You are like, what does love do? It doesn't, it only hurts. Where is the gain in love? So, some of you will take your time to realize or wait, if this, you want to see if the commitment of the other person is true or not, and that's perfectly all right. Tower, oh my god. Some shakeup can happen, Aries. I'll be very, very honest. Some shakeups can happen in your relationships areas, but Things are stuck since a very long time in your relationship. So what is the advice for the tower? How can they fix this tower situation? Someone may come out of the blue in your life, your twin flame, your past person you were not expecting, and you were like, or some situation is hanged, like it is at a pause in your love life and it will suddenly start moving again. Some blocks, major blocks are lifted. You should focus on the good light, focus on the good things, good positive things, focus on the highest possible outcome in your love life, and that will bring you amazing results this month, friends. So focus on the good things, not on the bad things. Let's see your work and career. Movement, choices, and decisions. Victory and success. That's lovely. Material harvest. Okay. Moving on. And solitude. Yeah, I feel you will be very, very busy, friends, at your work. Aries, you're very busy. I see some of you could be leaving a job, moving into another job. Some of you could be leaving your universities and colleges, passing on, leaving us, like leaving your schools and moving into colleges, and you are like disappointed. You are like mixed feelings. You are happy, but you are also like, why we are leaving this? I also feel some of you were having a lot of financial issues, financial blocks, and you are moving away from that energy in October. Money is coming your way, lot of money, lot of success, rewards of your hard work are coming your way. I also feel some of you have been working very, very hard, friends. In October, also, you'll be working very hard. You'll be working alone, long nights, long days. You're working all the time, you're studying all the time, and you might be studying alone rather than group study, but it will bring you success. It will bring you a victory, a success that's yours, absolutely. I do feel in the month of October, friends, you will have to make certain choices like whether to stay in a job or move on, to choose from a university or a college, to choose from a course like do you want this course or that course. So there will be choices, and some decisions will be tough to choose. Like, should I leave? Should I study in my hometown or should I study somewhere else? It will be a tough decision because in your hometown you have your family around, but in a new town you don't know anybody. So the college is great, but you don't know anybody. Can you leave the family? Can you take that risk? So the choices will be tough, but eventually you will be very successful, and money is coming. And if you are a student, again, you will be very successful. So let us see other advice for Aries. Wow, cut the cords. Yes, friends, the past is really draining you, friends. You need to cut the cords to someone toxic or maybe a third party situation. There are people who are causing you a lot of pain, and I think some of you may actually be having some stomach issues this month. I'm sorry to say, or throat issues, cough and cold, or maybe some stomach issues like upset stomach or acidity, ulcers, etc. So please take care of your health. Please get tested right now, or if you are feeling these things, please take a personal reading. I don't do health readings, but sometimes it does come as an important message when you need it. So yeah, please do get that reading, buy that reading, friends. It might help you. Manifestations, yes, friends, you can manifest anything you want in this month. So woohoo, and joy. Yes, friends, happiness is coming, and that's such a relief from this Three of Swords. Happiness is coming, love is coming your way. You will find the excitement, friends, which is missing from your life right now. Right now, life is tough for you, Aries. So let's see what else. Okay. Oh. One of the cards dropped out. Let's take it. All right, lots of cards came out. Let's see. Grasshopper. Situation in the balance that requires careful handling. Yeah, there is a certain situation which is quite delicate, especially it could be a love or marriage relationship, or it is with the family or a toxic, like an ex, a legal issue is there. So please, you handle those situations delicately. Wish will not. Yeah, some of you are like, why my wishes are not being granted? Because you can manifest something better, friends. If a wish is denied by the universe, it means you deserve something better than what you are asking for. So like, you are asking to be You are asking to be a star, but the universe wants you to be a king or a queen of the whole universe. So they won't give you that, right? Because they will know you can deserve better. Dog close up, pleasure with the close friends. Yeah, you will be having some close friends. Are new friendships are coming. Love, deep affection and caring. There will be new love coming your way. Shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. Yeah, you better be careful, friends, with regards to money. Good fortune, exactly. Money is coming your way. Romance, celebration, and parties will happen for you. Both money or property through in an inheritance, winning, or a windfall. So, yeah, money is coming your way. Dagger, fear, worrisome, tense. You are actually worried right now, but it will heal or ease in the month of October. Self delusion, be aware of that. Yeah, don't try to delude yourself, friends. Take care, enemies are working against you. Yeah, I do see there are certain toxic people around you who might want to pick some drama or bring some drama. April is important. Feather, someone you know is undependable and insincere. I do feel this is, I feel like the angels will be guiding you, friends. So please listen. You will have your signs in the form of feathers, in the form of coins, pennies. So you will get your signs in October. July and April are important. And coins, money. Yes, yeah, I said coins. And here is the coin card. Wow, that's divine synchronicity. So, money is coming your way, friends, and it's a great October for you. And subscribe, Magic Wednesday, Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.